Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen remodel. We have gotten so much done over the last weekend. We have a big update today. This is a big milestone in this project, and I am so excited to show you what we've got done. As you can see back behind me here, our living room that used to be full of boxes of cabinets is empty. And that means we've got cabinets set, and it's so nice to be able to see the carpet again and not be walking on dirty ass plastic and everything else. It's been so nice to see the carpet again and have everything cleaned up. So let me show you the progress we've made over the last weekend. We've got a lot done. So let me show you the first thing. This is our little work light that we've been using for all of the construction so far. So we've got light in here. Let me shut that off and let me turn on what we just got installed today. Oh, look at this. We got new can lighting, we have the walls and ceilings painted, and we have cabinets in place and set. Big shout out going out to our son-in-law, Adam, for coming up and helping us with that yesterday. He was such a big help for setting cabinets, getting everything leveled out, getting stuff up there and held in place while I screwed stuff onto the wall. We've got our range hood over here, which we need to figure out yet, but that's essentially where it's gonna go. It's just gonna go up on the wall a little bit higher. But this is our kitchen, guys. Let me take you around here a little bit and show you what we've got. There's our island. We've got 3 cabinets here. Everything's got drawer pullouts. We've splurged on the drawer pullouts. We come around, our dishwasher's gonna go right over here. We've got our peninsula that I've been talking about all this time. We've got our cabinets up here. Our windows stayed in place. There's our new sink that's got put in place. And we come around this way, there's our new coffee bar set up over there. We're gonna have lights above it. That's where the refrigerator will be sitting with cabinets around it. And the microwave is gonna sit up right in that little cabinet right there. And then obviously the stove and the range hood there. But we've got all kinds of room to walk through here. We had to move a couple of vents. That vent used to be underneath the island, and this vent used to be up against the wall next to the window. So we moved that out here. Move that one out there. Our flooring is, we've got the black paper down. We're gonna put new wood flooring in just like this. We're gonna get this matched and then put that in all the way around through here. So that's the plan for that. Gonna get some new light fixtures right up here over the top of the island. And once we get those put in, we'll show you what that looks like. We're gonna do the same light fixtures over the peninsula here. And I think we're gonna do a pendant light over here above the sink. And the other thing that Lori got done this weekend was cleaning off our porch. So we actually have a nice porch that we can enjoy again and come out and enjoy the weather and not have to sit down in the basement all the time while we do this construction. So that's awesome. I want to show you Lori's genuine reaction when she got home for lunch today and saw the lighting for the first time.
Closest to you. Oh, that looks so good. Holy crap. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, doesn't that look nice? Oh, I can't wait to see the other things. Holy crap. Oh, it's nice and bright, don't you think?
So that is the end of episode 6. Those are big updates. We got a lot done this weekend. Stay tuned for updates as we start getting subway tile put on the backsplash. We start getting paint on the walls, changing the colors in here, and getting the final details put in. We're gonna be putting in under cabinet lighting. We're gonna be putting in the crown molding and stuff around the top of all the cabinets. It's gonna look awesome. So stay tuned for episode 7 coming out soon.